On August 26, 2024, Trooper Jeremy Elliott initiated a routine traffic stop on a white Chevrolet van. The driver, 61-year-old David Lewis, had a suspended license. However, what started as a simple stop quickly escalated when Lewis boldly flipped off the officer and floored the gas, speeding southbound at 100 miles per hour down Highway 109.
36, 47. 1037.
1037.
We are on 109 going south without sign.
As the chase unfolded, Lewis recklessly tossed bags out of the window, swerved across the center line, and ignored multiple traffic signals. Trooper Elliott attempted a tactical vehicle intervention maneuver to stop the van, but Lewis slammed on the brakes, forcing the officer to overshoot. Lewis sped past, determined to evade capture. The pursuit continued until Lewis attempted a sharp turn onto Cox Valley Road. He lost control, veering off the road and crashing into a ditch. His van flipped onto its side, bringing the chase to a chaotic end. Trooper Elliott, unable to stop in time, accidentally rear-ended the overturned van.
Crash out, crash out, crash out. Started 1016, 1016. Roll over.
Despite the wild chase, Lewis was arrested without further resistance. He now faces multiple charges, including fleeing, reckless driving, and littering. On the night of August 26, 2024, the Little Rock Police Department requested assistance from the Arkansas State Police in a high-speed pursuit of a black Chevy Camaro. The suspect, later identified as Clifford Sigler, was racing through residential streets at dangerous speeds. Trooper R. Plyler quickly joined the chase, which snaked through neighborhoods before hitting Chicot Road. Traffic was heavy, making it impossible to execute a safe maneuver. But as the pursuit continued north, speeds reached up to 114 miles per hour. Sigler recklessly sped through red lights, barely avoiding collisions. With traffic clearing, Trooper Plyler seized the moment. He executed a precise tactical vehicle intervention, TVI, sending the Camaro crashing into the tree line. Sigler fled on foot but was quickly located by Sergeant Alan Johnson and taken into custody without further incident. A search of the vehicle revealed a loaded handgun on the driver's side floorboard, and in the trunk, a backpack containing 6 pounds of fentanyl and scales, enough to make this a significant drug bust. Sigler was transported to a local hospital for treatment before facing a host of serious charges. On August 19, 2024, a tense high-speed pursuit unfolded in Tallahassee after a vehicle, stolen in an armed carjacking, was spotted speeding north on Capitol Circle Northwest. The Tallahassee Police Department tracked the vehicle, bearing Florida plates KSIG-03, linked to a carjacking on Palm Beach Street. As the suspect sped through intersections and forced innocent motorists off the road, troopers quickly joined the chase. Speeds exceeded 100 miles per hour as the pursuit crossed from Leon County into Gadsden County, with the fleeing driver showing no signs of stopping. In a dramatic turn, Trooper Plyler attempted a precision immobilization technique, PIT maneuver, but narrowly avoided a collision as the suspect swerved violently. The chase continued until, at the intersection of Iron Bridge and Concord Bainbridge roads, the trooper managed to strike the rear of the suspect's vehicle, sending it spiraling into a ditch. With the vehicle disabled, officers quickly detained both the driver, Devin Yerger, and the passenger, Delisa E. Morgan. A search of the vehicle revealed a firearm on the driver's side floorboard, adding to the serious charges the pair now face. The suspects were handed over to the Tallahassee Police Department, ending a dangerous pursuit that crossed county lines. In the vibrant heart of Brazil, a pulse-pounding police chase erupts, vividly documented from both a dash cam and a helmet cam. The high-octane pursuit kicks off as motorcycle officers relentlessly chase down suspects desperate to evade capture. With the chase reaching blistering speeds, the suspect's reckless driving culminates in a dramatic crash into a wall, leading to their swift apprehension by the relentless police. This video follows the intense pursuit of two suspects on a motorcycle by two determined police officers. The chase ignited when the officers spotted the suspects committing illegal acts in a cramped alley. Officer 1 sprang into action, with Officer 2 swiftly joining the high-stakes pursuit. Despite the suspects' desperate attempts to evade capture, the officers maintained close proximity. Their relentless efforts ultimately forced the suspects to stop and surrender. Fortunately, the chase concluded without any injuries.
Vai pegar ali ela.
On December 8, 2022, an FHP trooper patrolling Escambia County, Florida, received urgent information about a light-colored BMW that had fled from the Escambia County Sheriff's Office. With the suspect on the run, the trooper swiftly alerted the Florida Highway Patrol's aircraft unit, Air 31. Air 31 quickly picked up the vehicle, tracking its erratic movements southbound on Hollywood Avenue. The aircraft unit provided crucial turn-by-turn guidance to the ground units, directing them to the BMW's location.
I'm good. Give me a 1070. Y'all go catch him.
As the chase intensified, the trooper finally spotted the BMW driving recklessly westbound on Cerny Road, narrowly avoiding other vehicles. The BMW then abruptly veered north onto Blue Angel Parkway, continuing its high-speed escape. The pursuit escalated as the vehicle swerved dangerously, weaving through traffic and pushing its limits to evade capture. The trooper, determined to bring the situation under control, joined the chase, heightening the stakes of this high-octane pursuit.
People know what's up, man.
As we've seen, what starts as a simple encounter can spiral into a dangerous and chaotic situation. Whether it's a traffic stop or a chance encounter, the choices made in those moments can have life-altering consequences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more intense stories of law enforcement in action. Stay safe, and until next time, remember, every decision counts.